Updating your billing information on Together AI is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log in. Access your Together AI account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find a section labeled billing or payment information. Click on this option to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. In the billing section, you will see fields for your payment method, billing address, and other relevant details. Enter the new information you wish to update. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the updated billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. Make sure to review your updated information to ensure accuracy. Keeping your billing details current helps avoid any interruptions in service.